Friends, a very good morning to all of you. I've been receiving many panic messages since morning, so just thought of recording a small message and just sending to you. So at least you do not panic at this point of time. Actually, if you see in front of you, you see chart of Gift Nifty, and if you understand Gift Nifty is the derivative of our Nifty futures, right? So you can see this morning candle we have seen around 200 point downtick, but if you understand clearly, this is around 300 points gap down which we can expect, somewhere around 300 points of gap down which can be expected right now on our market. But ठीक है, this is not a time to panic if you understand things clearly. Actually, if you understand how things move, so there was a lot of uncertainty around what market would do, right? Or market was actually anticipating this thing. So and not only that, if अगर किसी को थोड़ा बहुत ट्रेंड लाइन समझ में आता है तो एक आप ये देख सकते हो दैट कल मार्केट ने इस ट्रेंड लाइन को ब्रेक किया है. सो आफ्टर ब्रेकिंग दिस ट्रेंड लाइन, दिस काइंड ऑफ मूव्स कैन बी एंटिसिपेटेड. सो ठीक है, चलेगा. एंड इफ़ यू रिमेंबर, वी हैव बीन कंटिन्यूसली saying that you must book profits in some of the positions, although we have been entering some long positions, but not fully. If you I have been clearly telling all of you that take mild positions, don't enter large positions. So एक चीज़ clearly सभी समझ लो that whatever you are seeing here, this is just a pullback within the larger bull market, right? So, and we have already seen a decent enough correction. We have seen like from around 22,700 odd points to 21,700. It's like 1,000 points correction in a matter of few days. So corrections, bull market corrections are normally very brutal like this only. So it will convince you to the point that the bull market is completely over. So this is where you have to play cautious and keep your sanity alive. Cash players, they need not to panic at all, because again, if you look at the larger picture, I'll just show you the Nifty chart. So if you look at the larger picture, this is the larger picture for Nifty. We'll look at the monthly chart, and in monthly chart we are in a big uptrend. Yeah, we can have some correction, maybe 1,000 points even can come, but the major support level that which we might be looking at is here somewhere around 21,700 levels. So well, don't panic, right? Because there was lot of uncertainty कि ईरान क्या करेगा, इराक का. So the thing you will understand here is market does not like uncertainty. So right now and uncertainty means there was lot of uncertainty as what will Iran or Iraq do, or what's going to happen now. With today's news, you have to understand that it's now certain that the war is going to be there. So now market knows what will happen. So the cloud of uncertainty is gone. So it might just happen that market will start taking its course from here. So it might just bottom out on bad news. I'll just give you a reference of COVID time. If you remember, this was the phase even we were not even aware of what COVID was doing, right? So यहाँ पे आप लोग को अगर याद होगा तो suddenly when COVID started to peak, market also started to peak out, and we saw lifetime highs in the market, right? So if you understand it from this phase, यहाँ पे market को मालूम नहीं था कि COVID क्या है and how it is going to impact us. But once that was over, we got over it, right? Because markets are here to stay. No matter how bad the war is, markets will stay. So you need to clear this thing out of your mind. Stop panicking. Keep patience. Things will be perfectly fine. We'll again come back to our normal day routine. What you see here is we have gone up quite a bit. तो जो भी है, this is all going to be a pullback within the larger bull market, maybe around 21,700. Even if not at 21,700, you will find support at 21,000, or slightly lower, maybe 20,500. But uh, maybe even 1,000 points correction in Nifty is not going to be bad. But again, I'm not expecting such deep correction. Maybe over a longer period of time we can have that kind of correction, but not at this point of time. So don't worry, don't panic at all. These, you have to understand one thing very, very clearly, that market does not like uncertainty, and these kind of scenarios, if you also understand, these are the best possible points where the smart money can actually buy. Because if you see it, we have been in a bull market, and we have been in a bull market, and people were just not ready to let go of their stocks. They were planning like they want to keep it for many, many years. So this many years or this many months. So these kind of news or these kind of moves, they drive panic into the retailers, and then it forces them to sell their stocks. This is the point where smart money pitches in, and they start to accumulate the stock. So you have to understand here that panic is not going to help you if you are, onto cash positions. And not only cash positions, if you are onto good cash positions, good stocks, you should not panic at all. Yeah, maybe you can take a day off if you cannot see the turbulence. You just take a day off, sit aside, and just focus on other work. Never risk so much money here that you cannot afford to lose, right? So maybe this could be the point where we can find some support, maybe around 21,721, or maybe somewhere around 21,521. This could be the level where we can find support. If we look at bank nifty, we can see that maybe around 45,800 could be the point where which is also coincidentally the 200 DMA for bank nifty. If by any chance if we get to come at this point, we can see a good correction here. So I've been saying from long that a correction is pending, and we even got the correction. Yeah, but nobody could have predicted that the correction would be at such a fast pace. So this is what market is. You can predict that there could be a correction, but the speed and timing of correction is something which not everybody can predict. So don't panic. Just hold on to your good stocks. Maybe it might just even be a time to get into some good stocks, because if you also understand, we are into the larger bull market, and market just might use, or maybe not market, the smart money might just use this opportunity to get in some long positions. So just relax and watch. Chalo, bye bye, take care. Hope this audio commentary helps you today.